Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Are you ready to test your division skills? What is 10 divided by 2? The answer is 5. What is 12 divided by 3? The answer is 4. What is 15 divided by 5? The answer is 3. What is 18 divided by 2? The answer is 9. What is 20 divided by 4? The answer is 5. What is 24 divided by 6? The answer is 4. What is 28 divided by 7? The answer is 4. What is 30 divided by 5? The answer is 6. What is 32 divided by 4? The answer is 8. What is 35 divided by 7? The answer is 5. What is 42 divided by 6? The answer is 7. What is 40 divided by 8? The answer is 5. What is 48 divided by 8? The answer is 6. What is 45 divided by 9? The answer is 5. What is 50 divided by 10? The answer is 5. What is 54 divided by 6? The answer is 9. What is 56 divided by 7? The answer is 8. What is 60 divided by 10? The answer is 6. What is 63 divided by 7? The answer is 9. What is 64 divided by 8? The answer is 8. What is 70 divided by 10? The answer is 7. What is 81 divided by 9? The answer is 9. What is 72 divided by 9? The answer is 8. What is 16 divided by 4? The answer is 4. What is 21 divided by 3? The answer is 7. What is 27 divided by 3? The answer is 7. What is 18 divided by 3? The answer is 6. What is 30 divided by 3? The answer is 10. What is 24 divided by 4? The answer is 6. What is 32 divided by 2? The answer is 16. What is 18 divided by 6? The answer is 3. What is 24 divided by 3? The answer is 8. What is 36 divided by 9? The answer is 4. What is 48 divided by 6? The answer is 8. What is 40 divided by 10? The answer is 4. What is 54 divided by 9? The answer is 6. What is 60 divided by 6? The answer is 10. What is 72 divided by 8? The answer is 9. What is 90 divided by 9? The answer is 10. What is 14/7? The answer is 2. What is 81 divided by 9? The answer is 9. What is 21 divided by 7? The answer is 3. What is 28 divided by 7? The answer is 4. What is 35 divided by 7? The answer is 5. What is 42 divided by 7? The answer is 6. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's learn and grow together.